In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome, virtual learning system of Pakistan International School, Taif. Dear students of class 6, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Sarfraz Nadeem with you. Today we are going to start our lecture number 5, and that is about chapter 3, part 2. Dear students, as you are well aware that the last time we learned chapter 3, part 1. Chapter 3, part 1. In the last chapter, dear students, we recalled our memories and we learned about the personal pronoun and reflexive pronoun and relative pronoun. We revised these 3 types of the pronouns, and today, and also we learned about the interrogative pronouns. Today, we will start our next kinds. So for this purpose, dear students, you must keep a new brighter grammar book with you, number 4. And the topics which we are going to learn today, it is about the pronouns. And today we will learn 2 kinds of the pronoun, demonstrative pronouns and reciprocal pronoun. Demonstrative and reciprocal pronouns. So, dear students, you are supposed to be stay here, and so demonstrative pronouns and reciprocal pronouns. So, number 5, demonstrative pronouns. Dear students, what is demonstrative pronouns? We are going to start demonstrative pronouns definition. Pronouns which point out the objects to which they refer are called demonstrative pronouns. Again, pronouns which point out the objects to which they refer are called demonstrative pronouns. Example, this is my house, that is Ahmed's. You can see over here, dear students, this is written in red color, and that is also written in red color. Both this and that are demonstrative pronouns. This refers to what is close at hand, and that refers to what is more remote. Here means this, which is anything which is near to you, and that the thing which is far away, which you cannot uh, take it in your hand or you cannot touch it, but only you can point out, like that is my bag. But a thing which is very near, like this is my book. More examples. Before to start more examples, dear student, I want to add there the plural of this is these. For example, you have 2 books with you. You can say these are my books. For single, you will say this is my book, and for plural, these are my books. Same, that is used for the single thing which is far away. For remote, more remote to you. Remote means away. That is my bag. Okay, but if you have 2 bags, so you can say those are my bags. Those are my bags. So for the singular, we use that, and for plural, we use those. More examples, students. This was my mother's ring. This was my mother's ring. This is pointing to the ring, and it's single. This was my mother's ring. That looks like the car I used to drive. That looks like the car I used to drive. Now that is means the car is bit away, and the person is going to point out That looks like the car I used to drive. Now here, this and that both are used for the single things. Here we use these and those for the plural. Like, these are nice shoes, but they look uncomfortable. Those look like riper than the apples on my tree. So here, students, on this in this demonstrative pronouns, we learned that demonstrative pronouns which point out the objects to which they refer are called. This is my house, that is Ahmed's. Dear students, we will move to another kind, and that is, yes, dear students, we are supposed to be reminded that this refers to what close at hand, and that refers to what is more remote. So the plural of this is these, and the plural of that is those. Number 6, reciprocal pronoun. Number 6, reciprocal pronoun. Now, what is reciprocal pronoun? Pronouns which denote return in acting are called reciprocal pronoun. Pronouns which denote return in acting are called reciprocal pronouns. Which are the reciprocal pronouns? They are each other and one another. Each other and one another. Now have a look over here about the each other. Each other was still recently used for two persons or things, but now it can be used for two or more. Before it was used for only two persons, dear students, but now it can be used for two or more. And one another is used now for two or more persons or things. In some old books, you may read that each other is used for two or one another for more than two, but now the distinction is no longer maintained. Now here you can use it for two or more persons. Dear students, we have few examples. Number 1, Jack and Jill had each other. Jack and Jill had each other. Dear students, you can see here two people are involved in the sentence. One is Jack and Jill. What they do, they had each other. It means that no any third person is involved over here. The both are doing the same work. Means they are going to return the action. The Jack is also returning hat and Jill also returning the action of hat. Note that Jack has Jill and Jill has Jack. Action is reciprocated. Another example, they all support one another. They all support one another. So dear students, it means they all support. Now here you can say one another is used for many people, like they are many, and each other is used for two, Jake and Jill. But here as we learned that each other was till recently used for two persons or things, but now it can be used for two or more. Now you can use for more. Okay, for example, people were working each other, people were helping each other, sorry, people were helping each other. It means there were many people and they were helping each other. Students of class 6 are very good students. Okay, they, okay, they help each other during the difficult time. They help each other during difficult time. So each other is not only used for the two, but it can be used for more people, and one another is also used for more people. Understand? Now, dear students, We are on page number 5. If you have a book, you can, yes, you can turn the page 5. Here we have a question. Pick out the interrogative, reciprocal pronoun, and demonstrative pronouns. Interrogative, reciprocal, and demonstrative pronouns in the following. Now, what we have to do, dear students, in this exercise, we have to point out few sentences will be given over here, and we have to point out or underline the first pronouns, and then we have to identify which kind of pronouns are used in this exercise. First sentence is here. This is Ali's bicycle. Number 2, Imran and Kamran help each other. Rahim and Aziz fought each other yesterday. Those are Arifa's pencils. Number 5, these are mine. Number 6, they decided to help each other. Number 7, who is that man? Number 8, by whom were you given this book? And number 9, whom do you want to see? Now here, students, total we have 9 sentences. Few more are also, but we will uh, turn to the next page for the other sentences. Here we have 9. Now, as I told you that we have to underline the, yes, pronouns, and then we have to write their kinds as well. So we are going to start from the sentence number 1. Who will help me to find out where is pronoun here in the sentence? Here is written, this is Ali's bicycle. So I think this is a pronoun. So we will underline that. This. Okay. And which kind of pronoun is this? Yes, who will help me? This. This is Ali's bicycle. So this is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Good. Now we have second sentence. Imran and Kamran help each other. Help each other. So we will underline the pronoun over here as well. So each other, yes, it is a pronoun. And the name of this pronoun is, who will help me? Yes, each other, one another, I told you, it's a reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun. We will write over here. Reciprocal pronoun. Good. Number 3, Rahim and Aziz fought each other. Again, we have same each other. So we will underline that. And you know very well which kind of is this each other. Yes, it is same as we had in sentence number 2. Reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun. And number 4, those are Arifa's pencils. Those are Arifa's pencils. So here what we have to do, we have to underline the first pronoun with those, because it is going to point out. Pointing, yes. Those are Arifa's pencils. So here, those is which kind? Yes. It is also pointing, yes. So it is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Good. Number 5. These are mine. These are mine. Again, we have to underline. Yes. So this is here, these. Yes. These are mine. So if those is a demonstrative pronoun, so what about the sentence number 5? These. Yes. Same. Demonstrative pronoun. As I told you that this, these, those, they are going to pointing the things, so they are called demonstrative pronouns. Number 6, they decided to help each other. They decided to help each other. So here again we have each other in sentence 2, sentence 3, and sentence number 4 as well. So we have to write over here the kind of, yes, reciprocal pronoun, reciprocal pronoun. Number 6, students, sorry, 7, who is that man? Who is that man? So here we have the word who working as a pronoun, but which kind? Yes, which kind of pronoun? This is who, yani it is a question. Is a question. So we use interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Okay, students. Number 8. Number 8. By whom were you given this book? Whom? By whom given you a book? So here we have, dear students, you will be learn here that here we have two pronouns. One is whom, second is this. So first we have to tell whom is which pronoun. It is interrogative. Interrogative pronoun. Good. And what about that? Sorry, this. This is what it is going to denoting. So it's a demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Good. So last students, we have the sentence over on this page. Whom do you want to see? So we have again whom over here. This is also, dear students, is a demonstrative. So we will write here also that this is a demonstrative pronoun. Which pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun. So dear students, here we have a total 9 sentences on this page, and we underlined the pronouns, and also we wrote over there the kinds to whom they belong, because we have the question, pick out the interrogative, reciprocal, and demonstrative pronouns in the following. So here we have 9 sentences. We have few more sentences. So we will move to the next page. So we are here, dear students. We have a same exercise and exercise 5. So we are here, which we have the another sentence. We have learned the 9 sentence. 10th, we have why do you abuse one another? Number 11, which of these is yours? And number 12, Akbar helped me, but who helped you? Number 13, these are nice girls. Number 14, those are Nawaz's classmates. And then 15 and last, these are my friends. So dear students, we have here 6 sentences. Same practice we will repeat, that we will first underline the pronouns over here, and then definitely we will write which kind of these are pronouns. So we are going to start with the sentence number 10. Why do you abuse? Yes, why do you abuse one another? Why do you abuse one another? So here we are going to underline the first pronoun, and then we will write over here which kind one another is, and that is reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun. And number 11, which of these is yours? Which of these is yours? So here we have, dear students, the word which. We are going to underline which is pronoun and which kind of it is. You will tell me. Yes. Who is there to tell me? Which of these is yours? Interrogative. Very good. Very good. Interrogative pronouns. Akbar helped me, but who helped you? Here we have, dear students, the word who is a pronoun. So first we will underline the word who, and then which kind, like it is, yes, it is who helped you. It means that that is also a interrogator. Good. So we will write here, it is interrogative pronoun. Number 13, dear students, number 13, we have, yes, these are nice girls. These are nice girls. So here, what we have to do, we have to underline first. Which one is a pronoun? These. And 13, those are Nawaz classmates. So those is also pronoun. Number last 15, these are my friends. These are my friends. So it means that these we will underline also. So how many? Here in 13, sentence number 14 and 15, we have these are nice girls, those are Nawaz classmates, and these are my friends. So dear students, here in last three sentences, these, those, they all are which, yes, right, demonstrative, because it is going to point out demonstrative pronoun. So we will write here about all, yes, demonstrative pronoun. And the last also same, demonstrative pronoun. Good. So here, dear students, look over here. 15 sentences are in exercise number 5. Which exercise? Exercise 5 we have done over here. 15 sentences we have done. We have underlined the pronouns and also we wrote their kinds. As we learned the three kinds in this chapter, chapter number 3. One was interrogative pronoun, second was a demonstrative pronoun, and third was reciprocal pronoun. So dear students, now we will move to page number 6 and 7. Page number 6 and 7. Have a look what is on page number 6 and 7. Here is, dear students, on page number 6 and 7, we have a homework. What is the question? Yes, we have two exercises, exercise number 6 and 7, and also they are page number 6 and 7. On in exercise 6, where we have a question, insert suitable interrogative pronouns in the following. Now what we have to do, we have to insert the interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns, if you will recall your memory, we learned in the last lecture that pronouns which ask questions are called interrogative pronouns. For example, who is this man? Which of these books are yours? What is your uncle doing? Like this, like what, who, which words. So here I'll help you to solve 2 or 3 sentences. For example, dear students, we have, yes, we have sentence number 1. Desh gave you this pen. Desh gave you this pen. So here will be, what will be? Yes, who gave you this pen? Who gave you this pen? Second is by Desh was this pen given to you. By Desh was the pen given to you. Then we will say by whom? Yes, by whom was this pen given to you? Number 3, we have these students, dash of the pens is better. So here we will write which of the pens is better. So here students, in this exercise number 6 only, we have to write interrogative pronouns. Only interrogative, not another kind of. All the sentences are question. Look over here, they all are in question. So we have to put like who, whom, which, are few more like this, as we learned in the lecture and as we did the exercise. So now we will move to page number 7 and exercise number 7. Insert suitable demonstrative or reciprocal pronouns in the following. Demonstrative or reciprocal pronouns in the following. Here, dear students, only two kinds are to be used. Number one is demonstrative and reciprocal pronoun. So first is Desh is my house. Desh is my house. So who will help me? Yes, this, yes, this is my house. This is a demonstrative which is going to point out this is my house. Good. Second, we have another dear. Desh is your neighbor. You can say that, yes, that is your neighbor. That is your neighbor. Good. Number three, these are my pens. You can say these are my pens. Number four, they help dash. Very easy. Very easy, dear students. They help dash. So here what we will write, they help each other. Very good, dear students. Very good. They help each other. So here if this, that, these are demonstrative pronouns, they help each other is reciprocal pronoun. Each other is a reciprocal pronoun. So dear students, as you know, this is lecture number 5 and today's 22nd April. Okay, good. And day is Wednesday. So you have given homework. If you will see the schedule of class homework and assignments. So English homework is given on Wednesday. So you are supposed to finish these both exercises and remaining sentences, and you have to send it to me on WhatsApp, and you are supposed to try to complete that, and you can send me to change in PDF, and you can send me as a one file. Okay, dear students. So dear students, this was whole about the lecture number 5, and inshallah in next lecture we will learn about the guided English book, inshallah, and you are supposed to keep this thing, and we will uh, we will learn the English A, inshallah, in the next lecture. Dear students, it is all about today's lecture. See you in next lecture, inshallah. Till that, Allah Hafiz.